Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check in on Trip.com quickly and easily. So, first off, you want to open your Trip.com account either on the website or the mobile app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, once you're in, you want to head over to the My Bookings tab at the top, right over here. Now, this is where all your flights and trips are stored. Then you want to find your flight you want to check in for and click on it. Now, I don't have anything on my account at the moment, but once you do, you can either go click on all or awaiting payment. Now, check-in usually becomes available within 48 hours before your departure time, so if you're outside that window, the check-in button won't appear yet. But if you're within the 48-hour window, you'll see a check-in option. All you have to do is just click on your booking and then follow the on-screen prompts, confirm your passenger details, and you're good to go. That's it. Super quick and super easy. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!